If you need WordPress website source code, you can get the source code from your server if you upload your website in the server, or you can find the code in your local machine if you code in the local machine. So first, see how you can find your code in the local machine, then we will go to server. So I am using wp local to install WordPress in my local machine. So if we create a WordPress project in wp local, they will give us a folder link. So click on the uh, go to site folder. This will open a folder, and then go to app, and then public, and then this is your WordPress core codes. And from there, if you need WordPress themes or plugins code, you can go to WP content, and then you'll find themes and plugins code. All of your themes code, if you need extras code, then you can download or copy all of this code, or you can edit it in your editor, VS Code, or anywhere. So if you need any plugins code, then you can enter in the plugins code, and you can just copy or open with VS Code, or you can edit on your another code editor. So let's see how we can find the code source code in the server. So I am using Hostinger, and now I am into my Hostinger admin panel, and from there go to websites, and then click on any websites dashboard. So I am in my website dashboard. Now from there you will see a link on file manager. Click on file manager. This will redirect you to cpanel's file manager, where all of your codes is redirected. And from there, click on public HTML, and there this is your WordPress core codes. You can download this code by clicking there. Download by clicking there. Or if you need a specific theme or plugin, you can go to WP content, and then you will see plugins folder. You can go to themes folder. So here is always plugin. If you need to download any specific codes or edit any specific code, there you can click on it. So if I click on like JS, and if I want to edit this, click on this, and you will find edit, rename the code. Or if you click on the right button, then you will click edit, and it will open your code right there. You can edit it there. Or if you want to edit it in your code editor like VS Code, then just download the folder, or download the file that you want to edit. So let's say I want to download it, and then go to the folder, and then drag and drop to VS Code, and it will open all of this code. So now I can edit the code in there. After edit and save, I can upload the file there. Just remove your previous code from there. You can remove or delete. Click on right button, and then delete. After deleting your previous file, now you saved your edited file, and upload your edited file from there. Just click on upload, and from there select and your file, select your file there, and click on open, and it will upload your uh, edited file. uh, by these options, you can get WordPress source code, or WordPress specific plugin source code, specific theme source code, or you can edit it, delete it, or upload it. WordPress is open source, so feel free to edit or customize it uh, as your needs.